Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone image optimizer, shrinker and compressor kind of an application. It's a single page application entirely built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are running it locally. I've also deployed this. You can check out the live demo. Check out the full description. I've given this link here. You can check out on my free media tools website. So the interface is quite simple. It's similar to Canva. Here you simply drag and drop whatever PNG image files that you want to shrink out, and one by one it will compress all the images for you. You will see that the size will be reduced. For some images it is not possible to compress. For some image it's very possible. It gives you the reduction minus 80% like this. Using this slider you can control how much reduction that you want to do. So the link is given. You can try out this tool before purchasing it. So if you need the source code after you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So this is actually, if it's entirely built in CSS, HTML and JavaScript. So you can just adjust the slider here, how much compression you want, and then you can click save all, and it will download all the output files as a zip file, or you can individually click the save button as well. So this will save you a lot of time, because many a times you do need to compress your PNG images. So this tool is very powerful for this bulk PNG image compressor. And same thing we are doing it, running it locally. So it's very easy for you to deploy this application and run this application locally as well. And just select your PNG images, and then it will actually minify, compress and shrink it all in a matter of second. It shows you the total size. So it's a single page application. There is no backend to it. So it entirely runs in the browser. So if you're interested, you can, the link is given in the description.